So this is updated version of Angira. The previous one, Otigo, was not enough. So today I fixed it. So this is how it will look with shea butter added into it. So now we are here to correct all the mistakes we made in the previous video. So first things first, I'm gonna have my beans boil. So now I already have the boil. So the fact that the beans is boiled, then I'm going to add my Otigo, which is already prepared. Then let it cook and then add sodium bicarbonate and let it stay open because that is going to bring a lot of bubbles. At this point, you can keep stirring it so that it doesn't pour out. Mix it and let it cook in low heat and keep mixing it every now and then until it is ready. So I'll continue to let it cook in medium heat, and then after like 1 or 2 minutes, I mix it. So now I'll add salt and then mix it all together. Let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, but keep mixing in between. And now once it's ready, what we are going to do, we are going to add some little shea butter just for it to cook with it, to just bring out the smell, the nice smell. And then mix it together. Now our Angira is fully ready, and at this point I think it is as close as possible to the actual Angira. The previous one, the beans were so more, I forgot to reduce some. So now we are going to serve it. Now you can serve it and eat it with cassava flour or posho, whatever you like. So after serving it, you can add more shea butter into it, and after adding the shea butter, this is what you will have. So you can enjoy your meal, and that is what it is with very little shea butter. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.